In this video, we're going to discuss incentive stock options and restricted stock units. Mainly, you'll find them in this box 14 of the W-2. And when you see that, it should strike fear into your heart. I am not an accountant, and what I'm going to be doing in this video is telling you how I processed these numbers using TurboTax and an eTrade statement. But I don't think you should trust me exactly. I'm not a tax professional, but you're just trying to do it yourself. And I'm just showing you how I did it, which probably is not the correct way to do it, but let's discuss my impression of how things work. The independent stock options, they appear when you exercise your options. So when you exercise your options, they come through the eTrade account and they end up in on this line here. And when you exercise them, you basically create the shares, and those shares probably get sold. I'm not sure about all the different strategies, but in this case, they were exercised and sold. And when they're sold, they go up into wages. So you're going to find that this number here at the ISO number is going to go to wages, and then the taxpayer is going to have to pick that up as income. And they'll classify, but that basically becomes your basis for all those shares that you bought. And then we have these restricted stock units where they just appear on the date you're supposed to get the stock, and that is your basis. And so this amount here is your basis. So you could subsequently sell the stock, and this would be your basis. So if the stock went up, 25% from the day that you got the stock, then you're going to get a gain. And if the holding period on the stock is longer than a year, I believe the rules are you're going to get a long-term gain. So what do we do then? We need to kind of understand this so we don't double count income. Usually it's a lot of money. So what happened with me was I got this amount here that was incorrect. I went and entered the 1099B in TurboTax, and I generated way too much gain because they forgot on the eTrade account, they forgot to include the amount that I had already been paid on my W-2. This amount right here I already paid the tax on it through the W-2, and they forgot to include it. So this amount here has to go on the TurboTax form right here, and I checked this box right here. So that is basically it. I'm just going to show you one other thing here. I did have to put this here. I had to do this short-term basis covered for the amounts that I used for the ISO. Anyway, if you could like this video, it will give me incentive to do more videos like this. And more than anything, I just make a note for myself to figure out what I did last time so I can remember what to do next time. So thank you for watching this video.